Good morning, friends. Today we will see what is human memory. Everyone know the computer memory. In computer, we store and retrieve the information. But in human memory, we store the information, but recalling is the not possible. For example, mean that we forget your informations, forget your past information. What you do before the yesterday, day after yesterday, we cannot recall it. Okay, so recalling our information, we recall using the three types. Okay, so there are three types of human memory. First memory is a sensory memory, second memory is a short term memory, and third one is a long term memory. Now we will see the first, what is a sensory memory. Sensory memory, that is a memory like a buffer. For example, in computer memory, we use the RAM. RAM is a like of buffer, means that it store the your information. Okay, similarly in sensory memory, that like the buffer memory, that input comes for the buffer memory uh, from the different senses. In that when stimuli get occurs of senses, then that information is passed to the buffer. Okay, so this is called as a sensory memory. In that sensory memory, we uh, get the input from the senses. There are different types of sensory memory. First one is a iconic sensory memory. Iconic sensory memory means that visual stimuli. For example, we move the finger in front of your eye, then we make the perception of the that object when removal of your finger from your eye. Okay, so this is the first type, that is a uh, iconic memory. Then next memory is the echoic memory. Echoic memory means that aural stimuli. Okay, that is called as a echoic memory. Mean that, for example, we get this sound, different types of the sound. Okay, that is called as a echoic memory. And last one is the haptic memory. Mean that haptic memory means that uh, it is a stimuli of the touch. Okay, when we press your button, okay, mean that something get occur. Okay, so this is called as a haptic memory. Okay, so in human computer interaction, there is need to study of the human memory. Okay, so this is the first type of memory, that is called as a sensory memory. Next, second type of the memory is called as a short term memory. Short term memory, we can say that it is a regular memory or working memory. Okay, so this is called as a short term memory. Means that your information is remembered up to 70 millisecond. Okay, so this is called as a short term memory. In short term memory, there is a need not need to recall your information. Okay, not remember your information. Okay, that is called as a short term memory. And last types is that it is called as a long term memory. Long term memory, there is need to recall your information. Okay, that is called as a long term memory. There are two types of the long term memory. First one is a explicit memory, and second one implicit memory. Explicit memory is called as a declarative uh, memory, mean that we uh, uh, do the study about the declarative information. And implicit memory is called as a procedure memory. In explicit memory, there are uh, two types of memory. First one is the episodic memory, and second one is the semantic memory. Episodic means that uh, we revise your information step by step. Okay, that is a episodic memory. That information where happen. Okay, that is called as the episodic memory. For example, uh, if you have seen the any movie in past, then we recall it. Okay, that movie's time. Okay, so this is an example of episodic memory. Mean that we record your sequence step by step. Okay, that is a episodic memory. Then semantic memory means that we show the semantic approach, that relation in between the one or two object. Okay, mean that we record your information in semantic way. Okay, that is called as a semantic memory. Means that we follow the different structure. For example, classification of birds. Okay, that is a semantic memory. Okay, in which category these words occur. Okay, that is called as a semantic memory. And next type of long-term memory is that procedural memory. That is called as a implicit memory. That we follow the procedure. Okay, that is called as a procedural memory. Okay, so this is a about human memory. Okay, now next lecture we will see the senses of memory. Okay, thank you very much.